Welcome to Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I'm nutritionist Mruga. Today we'll show you popular breakfast recipe named Muesli. Muesli is a balanced combination of cereals, dairy product, fruits and dry fruits. It is a complete breakfast as it contains a good dose of protein, fiber, iron, minerals, calcium, vitamins and antioxidants. So let's begin our recipe. First, we'll lightly roast oats, chopped walnuts and chopped almonds. We'll dry roast on a slow flame for 4 to 5 minutes. It's been 4 to 5 minutes and you can see oats have turned a little light brown in color. I'll switch off the flame. I'll transfer the mixture into a deep bowl. And we'll allow it to cool slightly and then we'll proceed to our next step. So now I'll add vanilla essence to give that nice flavor, and to give sweetness, since we're not adding any sugar, I'll add raisins. We'll just mix it well. This is our dry mixture of muesli ready. You can store it in an airtight container and then you can serve it during breakfast with milk and fruits. Our muesli is ready, so now let's proceed to serving. For serving, I have taken 1/4 of the prepared muesli. To that, I'll add chopped apple. To bananas, here I have taken banana because you need energy in the morning, but you can always replace it with other fruits like strawberry or oranges. I'll add little sugar and finally milk. Just mix it well. And here your breakfast is ready. I'm sure you'll like it.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com. If you enjoy our recipes, click like. To see more of my recipes, click here. Please share your comments. I would love to hear them. I'm waiting for them.